Hello students, how are you? I hope you're fine. So you can see this thumbnail DULLB result 2020. So students, you can be happy now because of I'm telling you complete information regarding your result. So stay in this video. You have to watch complete video till end and you have to not skip this video. I'll tell you all procedure for result. So how to check result? I'm telling you step to step and I'll confirm you all detail regarding your result. So students, be conscious about everything that your result will announce on the website. You know very well, this is very small thing. And firstly you have to go in Delhi University's website. You know what, entrance test has been declared for LLB students, and the entrance test you can check now in NTA website. So if you are searching for entrance test for LLB result, then you can check your LLB entrance test result now. And what is procedure and how will marks need there, you know very well. You can see my last video also. And I'm telling you basically here about DULLB result. So students, you have taken your examination before a few days, and now you are waiting for your result. You have to go for Delhi University website. Now I'm talking again, du.ac.in. Just you have to enter there and continue to website. You have to see all notices, all press releases, and then you can check your result. If there is any notification regarding your LLB, or you can go for particular in that place, I mean in Delhi University's website, and then you can check whatever you have respective detail. I mean like your roll number, your registration number, application number, whatever need there, just you have to enter there, and then your result will be on the screen. So students, you know what, one and 2 month will be take, because if you will see past data for Delhi University, then you can imagine, you can guess that what is duration for LLB result. Suppose that if you have took your examination before 1 month, then before 1 month, October, in month of October, then after 2 months, November and December, so you can see your result in month of November. If you will calculate like this, then maybe it can possible in rare condition your result can be announced in last of November 2020 or in first week of December. So students, I'm telling you important thing that your result is not announced still. Now this is in pending mode and you are waiting, mostly you are waiting, but result you will not get any activated link. If somebody is telling you, if any YouTuber is telling you that your result has been declared, no, this is wrong. Your result did not upload on the website, so you have to wait for few days more. I told you in last video also, after Diwali your result will announce, and you have to check properly that website. Delhi University's Delhi University's website, because of you will get all authentic information towards that website. Any YouTuber can't tell you proper 100% information, because of Delhi University's website will confirm you all things regarding this, or you can check as well as in NTA website. So students, be prepared. I can understand what is first year and second year student will be promoted, and this will be good news for you, because of all universities are promoting to all students, and this is applicable for just first year and second year students, not for final year students. Final year students have to take their examination, and I think final year students have taken their examination, and first year and second year result has been out, and now you are waiting for your result. But your result, you will not get your result nowadays today also. But you can do one thing, that if you visited in this channel first time, you can subscribe this channel, and just like this I made this video for you, that I intimate you time to time, because of many students are thinking about their result, and they are thinking when will come, when will result upload, and they are saying again and again, once a day they are checking again and again, and they are not getting anything good news. So wait for a few days and you will get good news, and you will be pass. Because of coronavirus is spreading, during coronavirus pandemic, you will get good information, and marks, you will get good marks, because of you have taken your examination, and first year and second year students has been promoted, and all courses, this is applicable for all courses, first year and second year students has been promoted. So for especially final year students, you will be get good marks, and this is all depend on your script, answer script, what have you write in your answer script. If there will be any discrepancy, if there will be any error, any mistake, like absent, like 0 marks, because of many students are getting this type of errors in OBE also, Delhi University. So if you will face this type of problem, then this is a second step, then you have to go in Delhi University and you will get solution. You have to ask an inquiry, or where you have to ask an inquiry, then they will suggest you have to go in that window. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.